When I die, when my coffin is being taken out, you must never think I am missing the world. Do not shed any tears. Do not lament or feel sorry. I am not falling into Montessor abyss. When you see my corpse is being carried, do not cry for my living. I am not living. I am arrival at eternal love. When you leave me in the grave, don't say goodbye. Remember, a grave is only a curtain for the paradise behind. You will only see me descending into a grave. Now watch me rise. How can there be an end when the sun sets, the moon goes down? It looked like the end. It seems like a sunset, but in reality, it is a dawn when the grave locks you up. That is when your soul is freed. Have you ever seen a seed fallen to earth, not rise with a new life? Why should you doubt the rise of a seed named human? Have you ever seen a bucket lowered into a well, coming back empty? Why a lament for a soul when it can come back like Joseph from the well? When the last time you close your mouth, your words and soul will belong to the world of no place, no time.